So your phone is still one of the best tools you can use for content creation this year. So in this video, we're gonna highlight accessories that you can pick up for your iPhone to elevate your storytelling. Let's check it out.
You gotta just press record.
So for our first accessory today, we're here with Josie from Smallrig, and we just discovered this cool Smallrig monitor mount for mobile devices. So Josie, could you tell us just a little bit about what this tool is and what kind of problem it solves for creators?
This one is help the creators use a rear camera to shoot yourself or shoot your other people to see the screen. We have two screws. One is for professional ones. We have a cold shoe mount to the screw hole, so you can mount to cages or cold shoes, so you can do some special angle shooting with the monitor arm to monitor your screen. And the other one is video, is a vlog kit, so you can mount this one to here, so you can have a stretch and out with that. And all included with a Bluetooth charger, so you can have a remote control to your phone. So you are encouraged to use your rear camera to see your face and with high definition images and videos.
That's great. And here at Think Media, we always encourage creators to use their rear-facing cameras because the quality is a lot better. And usually it also opens up different resolution and frame rate options as well. So this is a great solution. It's always nice to be able to see your composition and your framing. So this is a really great tool. So I notice here, as you can see, we have no wires, but somehow we're getting an image on the screen. So can you tell us about that? How does that work?
It is connect to your phone through Wi-Fi connect. So use the mirror link from your phone. And so you can have quick access to your phone through Wi-Fi, and also at the same time use a Bluetooth connection. So both ways. For the wireless one, in battery inside, so you can have it remotely or just close to your phone, but in the other side.
And what's the price point for this?
For the vlog kit, I think it's $65 US.
So it comes with the monitor and the tripod?
Yes.
For $65?
Yes.
Dude, that's an amazing price. Wow, we're so excited about it. Well, thank you so much for your time, Josie. This is great.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
We are here at the Hohem booth at NAB 2025. I'm here with the CEO of Hohem, and today we're going to be showing off a little accessory for using your smartphone, and that is this little SSD right here. So this plugs into your phone directly. So one big issue when we're shooting with smartphones is if you want to use something like ProRes Log, which, chews through storage, well, having the ability of, let's say you only have 256 gigs on your phone, well, now we can record to an SSD and have something really small, not have to worry about plugging in a cable, then a mounting solution. So this is the new Hohem SSD. I love the simplicity of the name. Can you talk a little bit more about this design and how you can easily just kind of flip it up, plug it in, maybe store this in your bag?
Yeah, so when we plug into the SSD, sometimes we do need a more interface for microphone and also for charging. So here we do have the interface expanded. Yeah. So if I want to use the microphone nowadays, directly plug into, then it can work, right? So it's easy to assemble on a smartphone and shooting a video.
So that's one limitation of if you just plug in a normal SSD, you don't have the ability to plug in a microphone. You might have to use like Bluetooth or something, but this can use a great microphone, still have the ability to record to an external SSD. So not only having, no worries of having storage, but also great audio. So I love that. So there is a USB-C pass-through on both sides.
Yep.
So it can also power the phone as well?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, so it's easily power the phone, both for the microphone and also for the smartphone. Yeah.
Awesome. So this is a 1 terabyte model. Do you guys sell different storage sizes?
Yeah, we're gonna have two selection, 1 terabyte and 2 terabytes.
And what's the prices of those?
Okay, so it's not formally launched yet.
Yeah.
We try to make it be available in June. And the user price gonna be $149 for 1 terabyte.
That's pretty great since you don't have to worry about plugging the cable or mounting solutions. You can easily just take this out, put it in a little sling bag. So if you're looking for a really portable design and have lots of storage, check out the new Hohem SSD.
So our next accessory is this probe lens from Neewer. So this is a probe lens right here. It's this super weird looking thing right here. It's got a really long barrel for it. And a probe lens is a pretty niche tool, but it's a really cool tool because specifically this one from Neewer is only $300. And if you know anything about probe lenses, if you want to get a probe lens for like a mirrorless style camera, it's going to run you at least $1,100, $1,200 for your most basic option. But this is for the mobile phone devices. So they pair really well with some of their newer cases. So you can use it for Android devices, for iPhone devices. And as you can see right here on screen, we got Nate behind the camera. He can pan, and you can see this is a little Lego set right here. And the probe lens is going inside of the Lego set, doing kind of like this pullback shot on a slider. And you can just get some really creative angles that you wouldn't normally be able to get with traditional lenses. Even like a macro lens is designed to shoot in really small spaces, get really close to subjects. But this takes it to such a higher level. It's such a better way to get like more intricate looking shots. And again, we know this is not for every type of creator. And typically the times that I've even used a probe lens were kind of in like a marketing campaign sort of video, a promo video. And it's not gonna be the entire video is not shot on a probe lens. It's for some specific B-roll inserts. If you wanna just enhance your storytelling with a different tool, specific tool for a specific job, this is a great way and the most budget-friendly entry point to get a probe lens in 2025.
This next accessory will help improve your lighting if you're filming social media content. This is a great product made by Amaran called the Amaran Go. It's a little selfie light that has bicolor adjustments. It's going to provide a nice bit of fill to your subject if you're filming. You can also flip it down and fill in as well just using the rear cameras. If we flip this open, there's actually a little vanity mirror with a little light so you can make sure your hair is combed, your teeth are clean. So nice little prop. This also comes in a bunch of different colors. We got white, we got black, pink. So you really can choose the variety. Also, what's really nice is that there's physical controls for the light, so you can adjust the intensity on the side as well as the color temperature range. You can warm it up, cool it down. We got some like neutral lighting here so I could easily match my environment, make sure that I'm looking nice and evenly colored and exposed. You can also charge through USB-C. Now, the cool part is this works with the Amaran app, so you can control it wirelessly. So because it's magnets on the back with the MagSafe, you can attach this to a separate, like a fridge, use it as a little hair light. So it's a pretty versatile little kit and great for if you're trying to improve your social media content. And the best part, in my opinion, costs $29. So great little tool to have in your kit.